and welcome back to my channel. So today is going to be a FabFitFun unboxing. This is the winter box of 2020, and as you see here, it says your add-ons are inside. I did add on a makeup thing, and I'm going to talk about it here in just a second. So here's how the box came. It's a pretty big box. Alright, so here is the inside. Look at how cute. They always do such a cute job with their packaging. Now I did go ahead and remove some of the packaging just to make this process a little bit easier. So first we have here, let's see, Winter Box 2020, and then here is the add-on. So it's the Styla Shimmer and Glow Liquid Eyeshadow in Twig. Now a quick story, the one that I ordered was kind of close to my fingernail polish color, like a wine burgundy color, and that's not the one I received. So this is the one I received, and while it is extremely beautiful, I'm going to show you it, it's not the one that I ordered. So this one is called, I think, Kitten Karma. Yeah, so there's that, and it's a beautiful color, but it is just not the one that I ordered. So I did contact them today, and they're going to send me my replacement, the one I actually ordered, and then I think I just get to keep this one because obviously I can't send it back because of COVID, which works really good because, I mean, it's a beautiful color, and I'm thinking like maybe New Year's would be so fun to wear. It is an eyeshadow, but like, look at how pretty and shimmery. Oh, it's so pretty. So yeah. Anyway, so that's kind of a added bonus. This isn't the first time that they've forgotten something, but I want to say it's only happened once before, and I've been doing FabFitFun for I think 2 years now. So there are quite a few little discount card things in here, and let's see. So this one says add a little sparkle to your shine, and it's actually $15 off of a FabFitFun box for somebody. So if you are interested, the first person that contacts me who wants one of these FabFitFun boxes, I can give you the code for $15 off of your first box. Alright, so what else do we have? Sips. Okay, so this is for tea, like a tea subscription box, which is cool. HelloFresh, 9 free meals. If you guys want any of these, let me know, because I don't use HelloFresh. I probably won't use that tea thing. And then here's also a code for HBO Max. I think it's for 14 days or something. Yeah, for a 14-day trial. So let me know. I mean, whoever comments first, you guys can have it. Alright, so let's go ahead and get in the box. So this is something that's always in them. There's a little pamphlet, and they always feature a woman on the front. So, but these are wonderful. It has some just good information in them, but it also has all the products, what's in the box. So it has just shown what you could have gotten, and what I like, especially being a reseller, is it also shows the value, retail value as well. So that way you know if you are going to resell some of this, you know how much kind of to price it at, which I really like. So there's these 2 pages, and I think these 2 pages are all stuff that came in the box. Obviously I didn't get all of this stuff. It's different for different people. Like for this one, you could get 1A, 1B, 1C, 1D, 1E, 1F, and 1G. So those were all the different options that I could have gotten. I think I got this one from that. So I'll show you kind of everything I got, but yeah, so there's that. Okay, so first things first is the champagne flutes, but here they are, Sloan champagne flutes. There's 4 in here. I have not actually opened this yet, so let's go ahead and just open it and take a look. I was thinking about gifting this to someone because the only time I'm ever going to drink champagne is going to be for New Year's. So let's see. Have them wrapped up really nice and bubbly. Oh, these are pretty cute though. Okay, so here they are. So they have kind of that angled opening at the top, which is super cute. Those are pretty nice. I don't know. I might keep them. I don't know. I guess if you're like going to host New Year's, it would be kind of cool. Alright, so there's that. I'm going to have to figure out how to get that. There we go. So there's that. Those are super cute. Let's see what those retailed for. Let's see. 1C, they retailed for $51. So here it is right here. $51. Alrighty, next we have the little scrunchies I got. I haven't opened this either. Let's see if I can. Alright, I think there's 2. Yeah, there's 2. Oh, there's 3. Look at that. So we've got like 3 different colors, all animal print. And these retailed for, let's see, 7B. These were $25. So I got those in there. So those are pretty cute. I'll wear those. Oh, here's another little thing. A wine club. Okay, I might actually be interested in that. I'm going to save that. Alright, so this is something I might sell because these are Kate Spade, which is great. And I love Kate Spade. Oh shoot, I gotta rip it. But these are bar socks, so I don't take bar. They do offer it at my gym, but I'm busy doing the other classes. So let's see. Bar socks has the little logo. They're almost like little Mary Janes or something. They're super cute, and they have the, oh, there's two pair also. They have the like grippies, but I don't do bars. So this is retails for 24 bucks. I'll probably sell these. Let me know in the comments if you guys are interested in these, because I'll be selling those. Next, let's see. Wish lip scrub gently exfoliates. I haven't opened this up. This is normally $20. Retails for $20. But we can all use that in the winter time. My lips get so dry in the winter. Okay. Cool. Let's take a look. Yeah. Alright, I'll be keeping that because I can use that. Okay. Oh look, a little sticker from FabFitFun. That's cute. Oh, this was also in here, and I don't think it was supposed to. I think it was just kind of like a sample. I could be wrong. Let me see. Yeah. My husband says that these are really good. I've never had them. This one's dark chocolate, nuts, and sea salt. So yeah, I'll keep that. Okay. This stuff, let's see. Phase Zero, Making Moves. It's blush. The color, it says somewhere. Let's see. It's in my book. Okay, so this is 8C. Retails for $27.50, and it doesn't say. But anyway, it is, it smells good. I opened it up and I was like, oh my gosh, it smells so good. Still doesn't say. I don't know what color it is. Okay. But look at how pretty that is. And, pretty pigmented too. This will look good with my skin tone for sure. But it smells like tanning lotion, like coconut or something. It smells so good. So I'll definitely be keeping that. Alrighty, moving right along. Next we have this. Let's see. Pore Purifying Cleanser, Pores No More. Salicylic acid, tea tree oil, and white willow bark. So I'm all about smell. I've got to smell it. Ooh, that does smell good. It smells a lot like essential oils. Like it has that smell to it. And let's see. This retails for, let me see if I can find it really quickly. 3C. Okay, this retails for $36. So I'm pretty excited to give that a try. Alright, next is this scarf, and this is actually Lucky brand. I was pretty excited to get this. Retails for $69, and it's pretty big. There's the Lucky brand, and it has this tassel on the end of it, but it's a very large, it feels almost like cashmere. I know it's acrylic, but it feels like cashmere, and it is very, very large, and then there's the tassel. So I'm pretty excited about that. Definitely be wearing that right now. It's getting really cold in East Tennessee. Alright, last but not least are these, let's see, cutting board set of 4. So these are really cool because look at how thin they are. Like, my cutting boards take up so much space in my kitchen, and so I saw these and I think I could customize this, so I did pick these. And there's 4 different colors. It has like a little hanging area here. And let's see, these retail for $19.95. So I think I did pick that. So with FabFitFun, you can customize some of the stuff that you get in there, and I do like to do that because that way I'm not receiving things I won't use. So I think I customized that, and then I think I picked out I think I picked the scarf because I really wanted that. And you know, I think the rest of it I let it be a surprise. But yeah, it's definitely worth your money to get you one of these boxes. I want to say that they're $59.99 and you get them quarterly. And they're really great about giving you things that are good for this season too. Like the lip exfoliant. Like I could totally use that right now with my lips being dry with the winter air. And then plus you get all kinds of cool samples too in there. So let me know, guys. I've got a referral link as well. If you guys are interested in starting up one of these boxes, I would love to give you my referral code. Thank you guys so much, and I'll see you next time.